Well, here we are, guys. Portobello, grilled portobello mushrooms, corn, and boiled lamb. Let's eat. Let's taste the lamb. Here, let me get it out. Oh yeah! Wow, is that good? Oh my God, I'm dying, you guys. This is so good. Mushroom. Oh, this was worth the 2-hour wait, let me tell you. This lamb is amazing. And the corn. Delicious. Oh man. Well guys, hey guys, thanks for being with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps out the channel. Let's get those subscriptions up. I would appreciate it. Now, I'm going to finish this off camera. I don't think you want to see me eating this for the next half hour. So I'll get back to you for tea time. I'm having, with my tea, this Romanian pastry is basically a cream puff in some flavored syrup, and I've forgotten what this is called. I get it a lot of times at this supermarket near my place. It's very delicious, but the name escapes me now. But it's basically a cream puff with syrup. It is really good. With tea. Earl Grey, of course. Oh man, this is so nice. The lamb was so good, the corn, the mushroom, and now tea and the cream puff. I'm having a great time, guys. Thanks for being with me. Good morning. It is 9 o'clock. Had a terrific night's sleep. I'm going to have a light breakfast and then start the day. The mighty Mississippi. I'm going to have a double shot of instant coffee. 1 Starbucks and 1 Nescafe. I need the caffeine. For breakfast, it's just 3 hard-boiled eggs and Parmesan and garlic herb croutons. Pita chips. Because my name is Pita. Cheers, guys. I'm having a Justin's milk chocolate peanut butter cup with the coffee. Yummy. Well, guys, this was a beautiful night camping here. This is a gorgeous camp spot right on the bank of the Mississippi River. This is Thompson's Cove in Illinois. It's near Thompson, Illinois, if you're interested in coming out here. So thanks for being with me, you guys. Please share, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.